In this video, we focus on using the relation graph for accounts and for contacts. You already use account hierarchies and contact org charts to display a hierarchical structure of how companies relate to each other, giving you a global view of a company and its subsidiaries, for example, and of contacts within a company. The relationship graph gives you an additional level of understanding of the relationships between account records and contact records by allowing you to map the networks and relationships that you need to be aware of, such as, which other companies does my prospect have relationships with? I wonder if we know anyone who used to work with my decision maker. Who can I talk to who will be our advocate to help deepen this relationship? These are the sorts of questions that the relation graphs help answer. Account relations and contact relations define the relationship between two accounts or between two contacts. They are managed and created from the admin module. Enter the admin module from the Pipeliner CRM application. Click on the App switcher in the top left corner. Click on Common Lists and then on the Accounts Relation tab. The default accounts relations that we added to get you started will show in the list. You can edit these by clicking on one to select and then editing the name and color, or add a new one by clicking on Create New. Click on the Contacts Relations tab to add or edit relationships for contacts. In order to use the newly created Accounts Relations in Pipeliner, first log into the app and then click on the Accounts menu. Open up an account record. On the Relation Graph tab in the account, you'll see any existing relationships. Click on Add Account and select from New or Existing. Selecting New will allow you to create a new account record and link it to the graph using one of your relationships. Selecting Existing brings you up a list of existing account records, and you can select both the account and the relationship. As you add an account into the relation graph for the company you're working on, the relationships that account has with other accounts is now visible, so you can see how the whole network of organizations relates to each other. If you click on an account in your graph, the panel on the right-hand side will preview your selected account and will list the relationships associated with that record. As you hover over or select a relationship with a particular company, other records will be dimmed so you can focus on that specific relationship. Clicking in the right-hand panel will allow you to see the details and to add or remove additional relationships between the two accounts. Click on an account card in your graph and then on the small plus to add a new relationship or the org chart symbol to create a line of influence relationship between that account and any other in your graph. Click to connect the records together and select the relationships from the multi-select options. The Contacts Relations graph functions in the same way as accounts. You need to have update rights to all the accounts and contacts that you want to include. This means you need to be owner or have been added as an editor. Alternatively, you may be based on a user role that gives you update rights. Additional learning resources can be found in our knowledge base and on our YouTube channel. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@pipelinersales.com. Please make sure you share this video with everyone in your organization who uses Pipeliner CRM so we can help them succeed too. We welcome your feedback and suggestions for adding to or improving our Academy resources. Please email academy@pipelinersales.com with any suggestions.